Oh my goodness. Got the cushion off. I remember how I loaded all of this shit on the back. Tent, airbed, sleeping bag. We had to watch last year's video to see how I did this. Yeah, probably needs a bit tightening up, but strap up through, looped around the top. Strap at the bottom, looped around the bottom, both being in the centre bar, going opposite ways, cable tied together. Still a little bit on the loose side, so that's why I say I can tighten it up a bit more, but that's how I did it last time, so that's what will work this time. Now the sleeping bag. Right, that is, pardon me, that is how I did it last time. 2 bungee straps through the leather strap, come in on the outside of the sissy bar to the inside of the sissy bar, and attach together. They go through the straps of the sleeping bag. Now let's see if we can get the airbed to play ball as well. Good backrest, I've missed that backrest. This bag is cheap as shit, but it does have a handle on it. Let's see what we can figure out. Am I sold on it? Am I farty? Yes, I am. Not really sold on it, but it's attached to the back. It's kind of attached to the clips that are holding the sleeping bag in place. So I guess it can't really go anywhere. So like, can I shove this thing off? I really wanted to. Maybe I'll ride it like this to loops. And if it's not going to play ball, then I'll just have to dump it in a backpack instead. I suppose I could just dump it in the backpack anyway. Because the backpack has straps that I put around here and around there, which helped. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe that's why I did the backpack. Maybe that's what had this in before. I don't remember. Previously, I've had the tool roll attached down here because it was about the only place I could put it, because if I put it on here, the incredibly hot light burns it. I've already got my mini one here, which is actually for electronics charging stations, and I did put one on the back of the backrest when I went on Betty, and it just completely ruined the fender. But here's an idea. 1 loop around the sissy bar, 1 loop around the leather. Just sits on top of the saddlebag. That'll do. Stick some tools in it. Probably seems weird that my tools and everything are kept inside a Ziploc bag, but after I had them down there and the mug got in, oh my god, it's just worth it, because I'm worth it. I'm about ready to roll. Airbeds, tent, sleeping bag, shit, tools, bike cover, waterproof overalls, more shit. Close that and let's go. Okay, I think we're about full. What is with this hose, man? You know what? Not my problem. Alright. Just got told off for using my phone on the forecourt. So, love, I need to set up the Satnav. Get over it. Welcome, boys and girls, to the Land's End run. Although we are not going to Land's End today, we're going to Portsmouth because I'm going to go crash at Luke's for the night, and then tomorrow we're heading down to Cornwall. Although we won't be going to Land's End tomorrow, nor will we be going to Land's End the day after. We're doing that on Sunday. Friday is set up camp, Saturday is explore Cornwall, Sunday is the Land's End run and home. But today is Thursday. Thursday is for staying at Luke's house. Lids down. Let's get going. Will you like Mike? I forgot my fucking earplugs. Not contacts. I'm wearing contacts. You'd know if you wasn't fucking wearing contacts, bruv. Oh hey, you can see my new indicator lens in all its glory. High kick. Ordinarily, when I go out on the bike, I like to leave the camera rolling the entire time. You know, capture as much footage as I can, but given that I need to record 3 days down Cornwall, I'm going to have to just break up this journey, switching the GoPro off periodically. Otherwise I'm going to run out of batteries and I'm going to run out of SD card space. So for now, there's going to be some shoppings and changes. Shit, it's melting hot. God damn. I'm turning into a sweat sack. Whatever the fuck a sweat sack is. Look at that big old boopy building. Woo. Word to the wise, kids, don't travel during the school rush, because oh my fucking god, I'm on a 60 road doing 30. So the plan for tomorrow, I shall bring up to speed while we're moving slow. Well, I'm crashing a loop tonight, and then tomorrow we'll be up early, and we're going up to Bristol to meet a guy called Nick, and Nick has invited us to his house for coffee and bacon rolls. Fucking spot on, Nick, thank you very much. And from there we're going to go to the services, meet all the rest of them that are coming down from the Midlands, and then we hit Cornwall. Yeah, this is a good way of getting the traffic speed up, because I know I can't talk at speed. Sod's law kicks in and makes everything move. There's usually like paragliders up there on a good day. Don't try and overtake a lorry on the roundabout though, that's a really dumb idea, mate. Hey! So much for dumb ideas. Let's go, guys! Woo! Let's not die! Let's go, Diana! Just over. That time has kind of flown past. I feel like I've only just got on the bike. Oh, is this what I think it is? Yeah, it is. It is important to pay tribute to my Jojo by recognising how hilarious this sign is. Burpham. If you don't get that reference, go back and watch our Isle of Wight trip where Jo wet herself because that sign said Burpham. Oh yeah, the nice castles up there, which you won't be able to see because this camera is not recording in high enough quality. You can take my word for it, they look pretty. Or it looks pretty. Hey, it's whatever. Jo's got a fantastic weekend of relaxing ahead of her, whilst I'm out gallivanting with the boys.
Gallivanting? That's the sort of thing you start to say once your dick gets chopped off.
She's gonna have her feet up all weekend. No dog, because he's in the sitters. Man, I have missed having a back rest. Oh, bliss. I tell you what isn't fucking bliss, is all these fucking cars. Get out my fucking road. Out? Yeah, get out my road. Alright, switch off again for a minute, just because I want to save some footage when we're in Portsmouth. Because I've never really driven in Portsmouth. We went to the Isle of Wight that one time, but that was pretty much just, you know, a quick pass through Portsmouth to the ferry. About to pass over the River Smeg. There it is. I don't know what this river's called. It's now the River Smeg.
But it's not easy because he's such a smeg head.
Did you hear that, sir?
Alright, camera off, get rolling. Not that one. This one. Kill the cyclist. Stop this. Where are you leading me, Satnav? It's probably leading me down a faster route. We get to explore wherever the fucking hell we are. Down the fucking cobbled street now. Whoa! Alright, that was a slide. Oh! I closed my helmet. Yeah, these fucking lines are all zigzag, that's crazy. Round and round and round we go. It is hot as balls. There's a helicopter. Just landed in, I think like a feather or a bit of cloth just landed in my fucking gob. Right, 7 minutes! Is a little old place where we can get together. Portsmouth, baby. Please shut up. Please, for fuck's sake. You know you're gonna cringe when you watch this back. You see? Water! I want a boat. It smells like the sea. Yeah. Oh, fuck, it really smells like the sea. Woo! Doing good, doing grand. I just spat on you, I'm sorry. I can see myself in that little thingy there. Hello, mate. Fucking hell. Well, we shaved nearly 10 minutes off of our time with the ETA, provided I don't get lost. Once we get a bit closer, I will cut the camera because I don't want to show you exactly where he lives for his own privacy. Because I know what you lot are like. You're just going to be at his window, middle of the night, watching him when he's in the shower. It's not okay, guys. It's not okay. You can't do that to people. Okay, you can maybe do it to me, but I'm the exception. I've definitely broken this helmet in. Not only is it caked in my sweat, it is also covered in bug splats now. But better on the helmet than on your teeth. I was a little bit nervous setting off. Not like I was when I went to the rally, but it's just whenever you have so much gear stuck on the back, and especially since the fucking saddlebag came off the other day, made me a little bit nervous about carrying all this gear and it just fucking falling off on the motorway or something. But I'm pretty sure it's all still back there. Yeah, all still there. I did double check the lock on the saddlebag this time. Now I'm nearly there. All the nerves are gone. I'm just eager to get some food, cold drink, get a bit flip-flops. Oh, it's the railway. That's what crossing over. Railway. Oh, you can see quite far up there. Neat. But yeah, anyway, cut it here so you don't show them where he lives. This is fun. Oh my god. I do that every time. It's loaded up. Oh fuck, yeah, I forgot that was there.
Oh, you probably loaded that up.
What have you got? Presents for all the kids. Oh, there we go. What's this? That's an airbed.
Oh, that's the airbed?
Yeah.
So that literally is all camping stuff there.
Exactly.
The stuff you're taking is in there.
That's just entirely pants. Anyway, good to see you.
Yeah, good. Good ride?
Yeah, good ride.
Load of traffic through Chichester?
I left during fucking school rush, and then after school rush you get the work rush as well.
Yeah, yeah. But cut through most of it. Yeah, I did some sketchy riding.
Yeah, I did some sketchy riding.
But cut through most of it. Yeah, yeah. 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 But
Been here 5 fucking minutes and Luke's up on a roof. Trying to get his cat back. Here's Luke with no broken legs. There's cats for you. They go where they want.
With a tie on.
His little bow tie.
Eventually. Look at this pretty little boy. Hi. This is Cal. He got in a fight earlier and he won. Didn't you? Didn't you, huh? You was a good boy.
Right. That's the end of the first day. Day 0. It's like 11 PM. And we're getting up at 4 AM. Let's catch some Z's. So I just finished editing first video. Usually on the channel there's like I upload every Friday midday, but with these ones I can't be fucked with that, so they're just gonna go up as and when I'm done with them because it'll be quicker. But if a Friday video interrupts the flow of these videos going up, don't shit your knickers, just be patient and the next one will be along soon. Thanks for watching. Fuck off.